So this is my reinforcing the blinky tape. That's the business end right there. And here I've got a little piece of plastic that I've used some silicone cement to reinforce about the first 5 pixels. Because I find with my light painting, even when the tape is mounted on a pole, it still can harm the tape. I've experienced 3 breaks already from the tape secured in various ways to a rigid substrate. So now I've used this silicone to keep the plastic from moving around and to hopefully sturdy that section of the blinky tape. So here's the business end of the blinky, highly amplified thanks to Olloclip. I've put some coloring on the surface here just to know at a glance which is the head end. And here is my silicone job oozing off the edges so that this plastic can actually grip the edge of the blinky tape and hopefully secure it from bending and breaking at these junctures where it tends to get the most abuse. So here's the business end of the blinky, highly amplified thanks to Olloclip. I've put some coloring on the surface here just to know at a glance which is the head end. So here's my little kit to support the blinky tape and mounting in emergencies, and you see that I've reinforced the plastic with an additional layer of reinforcement. I've tied dental floss, loops of dental floss around the substrate, that plastic that I showed you, that protects the blinky tape from harm. And that's the business end right there with the micro USB connector and the great blinky tape. Whoa, look at those beautiful pixels. I have so much fun with this thing. I wonder if you do too. Let's talk. We'll see ya. Well, I put in a wooden dowel as well, just to make sure that this part of the tape that gets the most stress, where it's hooked up to the battery and the pole, is going to be protected. I hook it up right up here, right at the point where the connection is. That this part of the tape that gets the most stress, where it's hooked up to the battery and the pole, is going to be protected. I hook it up right up here, right at the point where the connection is.